Hi Blue Spellers, happy Friday. This week we are talking about the long O vowel sound. So the spelling pattern can be OA, spelling pattern can be O, and spelling pattern can be OW. So let's first talk about the spelling pattern OW. Own. If we put an E in here, it would be O-N. Own. I own the t-shirt. That's mine. I own it. Why is it a long O vowel sound? Right, because there's an O-W. So it makes O say its name. Flow. The water in the river flows. Flow. Why is it a long O vowel sound? Right, because the spelling pattern OW makes the W on the end, makes that O say its name. And you have OW together. No. I know that answer. It's not the, no, you cannot go do that. It's something, I know something. I know how to do that math problem. No. And do you hear that K on the front? No, it's a silent K. Throw. I throw the baseball to my friend. Throw. Okay, so why is this column long O vowel sound? Right, because when O and W are together, it makes a long O vowel sound. All right, let's look at spelling pattern OA. Float. The boat will float in the water. Float. Okay, you got this blend here, F and L, float. Why is that a long O vowel sound? Why is it not flot, ought, to make short O? Right, because there's an A right next to it. The first vowel does the talking, the next vowel does the walking. Float. You hear O's name because of that A that follows it. Goat. There's goat's milk instead of cow's milk. Goat. Coach. CH together makes a ch. Say it with me. Ch. Coach. Soap. You should always use soap. You've been using probably a lot of soap lately. Soap. Loaf. You buy a loaf of bread at the store to make sandwiches when you get home. Loaf. Loan. I loan you my computer so that you can write your assignment. Loan. Okay, so why are these ones long O vowel sound? Right, spelling pattern is OA. Good. Okay. Just an O. Now this one's tricky because when O is by itself, sometimes it's a short vowel sound, most of the time. So if we look at the word both, sometimes just an O can be a long O vowel sound. It's tricky. So these are ones that you really need to practice. Okay, these will be some sight words for you. So both. It doesn't say bath. If you cook with chicken broth, that's a short O vowel sound. But both is a long O vowel sound. It gets tricky, so this is one you really need to practice. Both. Most is also a short O vowel, or excuse me, a long O vowel sound. Most of the time, it's easy for me to focus. And I think that's it. So make sure you're practicing these two because a lot of times just the O by itself is a short O vowel sound. Have a great weekend.